Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, Simply Subrena. So we're jumping straight into the video, as you can tell. So today I am going to be doing an apple cider vinegar wash on my hair. Some people do washes, some people do rinses. I'm going to be doing it as a wash, as a clarifying wash day. So right here I'm starting out with my hair that was in the flat twist out with low bun style that I just uploaded last week. If you haven't checked it out, I will leave that link below. And yeah, so I'm just kind of finger detangling a little bit just to remove the shedded hairs, because again, I have not combed my hair in a week, so I'm just releasing any shed hairs before I wet my hair or anything like that. And I am working in 4 sections because it just makes life easier, guys. So I am using the apple cider vinegar. This is by Simply Nature. It is organic. It does have the mother in there, and I will also be using some water. That's just tap water. I just put in a water bottle and a spray bottle, and I sprayed myself. You can use an applicator bottle or a spray bottle. I thought a spray bottle would be easier, but I kind of like blistered my hand from spraying so much, so I would suggest an applicator bottle. So I'm basically using 1/3 apple cider vinegar to 2/3 of water, so it's not half and half. A lot of people do half and half. You can do whatever proportion, but at minimum you want to do half and half. I did 1/3 to 2/3. So I am going to go ahead and section my hair in sections this way so I can just really get into my scalp and clean it pretty good. Again, I am using this as a shampoo, as a wash, so I want to make sure that all of my scalp is able to get this on there and to really like cleanse my scalp. So all I'm going to do is really basically just spray my roots pretty good and then just go in and massage my scalp to break up any dirt and build up as you would a shampoo. That's all it is basically. I'm just replacing my shampoo with this. And I have to tell you guys, immediately as soon as I put this on my hair was so soft. It didn't make any sense. I was so surprised. Like I literally just kept touching my hair because I was like, oh my gosh, my hair doesn't even feel this soft like after a deep condition. So after I go through the section, I really make sure I drench my roots. It probably doesn't look like it on camera, but like I have apple cider vinegar running down my skin because like I'm drenching my roots to make sure it's really in there, and I'm doing a good scalp massage to really break up the buildup. And after I finish hitting all my roots in that one section, then I will go ahead and spray down the shaft of my hair and run it through, and then I would just bend to knot back up that section basically and just keep going through each section until I'm done. So after I was done, I had quite a bit left and I was like, I'm not wasting this. So I decided to basically pour it into the hair length, my buns. So I just poured it in so that would be like soaking wet basically, so my hair can just drink up all of this goodness that this is. And then I probably left it on my hair, honestly, probably about 5 minutes or so, and then I hopped in the shower to wash it out. So in the shower, I did use basically lukewarm water. It wasn't like scalding hot or anything like that, but I did go in as if you were washing out shampoo out of your hair. And I have like white flakes right here, and I think that was part of my nail polish, I don't know. But here I'm just showing you the texture of my hair after I washed it, how my hair was very spongy, very soft. Like, I love using this. I used it like once before, but it was so long ago I could not remember. But on my natural hair, my hair loved this thing, and you can see my scalp is very clean. And my hair, this is like 2-week-old dirty hair that I had put a whole bunch of gel on to do those flat twists and so forth, and it cleaned everything out of my hair. My hair was so soft for the next week to come because I had my hair, I did a braid out, you guys will see in another video, but my hair was like pillow soft that entire week. My hair has never been that light and fluffy and soft. So this is a staple. This is staying. If you guys have ever tried out apple cider vinegar rinse, definitely leave your experiences down below. Do you mix it any kind of different ways or anything like that? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, loves.